Hey everyone, this is for week 2, day 3 assignment. Um, I want to give a shout out to the person that already completed this, got it done before I even started. Thanks for doing it, being progressive and proactive to go and pull up Google Docs and do it individually and write down the answer in their own Google Word document. Good job. Good job to the one person that's been really proactive in keeping me on my, keeping up with me and making sure that they understand it. And good job for making sure that I had it in the right format. I had it in in PDF instead of Google Slides. The Google Slides just helps me be able to have you guys write it down. Okay? So thank you for that. And thanks for being patient with me. This has been a big learning experience. I feel that it's made me a better teacher. Learning a lot of this online platform. I like to just I'm a verbal person, so it's kind of hard that I don't get to hear you guys or see you guys. So all right, so I'm gonna go switch it back. I'm gonna go get up my Google Classroom. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so I'm gonna go back here. So we're gonna go to Google Classroom. And you'll notice that my Google Classroom looks very similar to yours. So you guys have this. So you guys um, have your instructions. Okay, so I'm going to name this. I'm going to name it just right now for you guys. Okay, sorry about that. I had it in the wrong format, so that's why I'm just a little bit behind. I'm going to go ahead and blow this up because it's really too hard for me to see. So there are several ways you can blow it up. But once again, um, come on. You can do 1 through 3. Now, 1 through 3 is you're going to say, first and foremost, Miss Kaufman, we've done this worksheet before. We've done it. Why are we doing it again? You're actually not. It is almost identical to the other one, except for the main thing is we're dealing with acceleration. So when we do acceleration graphs, it's velocity over time. So it's are we increasing or decreasing speed? Are we staying constant? Now, when we have if our acceleration is 0, that does not mean it's stopped. Beforehand, if I was at 0, and for distance over time, that meant I'm not traveling anymore over a period of time. I've stopped completely. However, in acceleration, it doesn't mean I'm not moving. It means that I'm not increasing my speed or decreasing. You're staying on a cruise control function. Okay. All right. So I'm not going to do 1, 2, or 3 with you. I will do a couple. So number 1 is Claire has run a positive acceleration for 5 minutes. Like I just said, I am not going to do 1, 2, or 3 with you, but I will show you how to read those. There's 2 ways. You can see if your slope is positive, slope man, positive, slope man, negative, 0, or undefined, right? Positive, negative, undefined, 0. Okay? And you guys know what I'm talking about with that. So you're going to look, is the slope increasing or decreasing? And you're going to look at your durations of times. That's going to help you. So these are increments of 5. Okay. So look at that. Positive acceleration for 5 minutes. So there's 2 ways to solve number 1. Going down, you're not going to do anything on number 4, and you're not going to do anything on number 5. Okay, so number 6 I already did for you guys. I will have this left up on here, but I am going to take it off so you guys would have that not completed. So part A is increasing speed. Excuse me. Let me go read the problem for you. So now part 2, use the graph below to answer the questions 6 through 10 about Jay's motion on his walk. So number 6, it says describe the motion of Jay's walk during part A versus part C. So part A, remember slope man. What type of tattoo was that? That was positive. Part C, what type of slope was that? That was negative. So part A, J is increasing speed over a period of time. So he's accelerating. It's actually positive. Part C is decreasing speed. So they are decelerating over a period of time. They're slowing down over each second, each minute, each hour. Okay. All right. So then you're going to answer number 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. Email me if you have any questions. scoffman, COFFMAN, @tps501.org. Good to see you. I hope to see you guys in the near future, even though that may be a few months.